video, I will tell you that what is a one-person company. So one-person company was launched as a good refinement over the sole proprietorship by the Companies Act 2013. In one-person company, a single promoter gains full authority over the company, thereby resting his or her liability towards their contribution to the enterprises, to their enterprise. So let's start. In one person company, the said person will be the sole shareholder and director. However, a director nominee is present, but the director nominee has zero power until the real director proves incapable of getting into the contract. So there are numerous benefits related with the one person company. There are no minimum capital requirement. You can register your one person company with 10,000 as total authorized share capital. It has a separate legal entity. OPC enjoy the benefit of separate legal entity, which clearly state that assets and liability of the business are not the assets and liabilities of the director. So directors director is free from all obligations. Limited liability होती है. So shareholder or the owner of a company has a limited liability towards the company. His her liability is limited up to the shares subscribed by him or her. So there are minimum compliances in comparison to the private limited company. OPC has minimum compliances for the purpose of annual filing and other compliances. One person company is treated as a private limited company. However, it is exempted from many compliances. It does not have to hold AGM every year. One person company builds credibility. All the information related to the one person company are made available in the public database. So one person company has a credibility. I have already told you that it has a perpetual succession. The company keeps on existing in the eyes of law even in the case of death, insolvency, and the bankruptcy of any of its member or shareholder. So it continues as a legal person until it is legally dissolved. So what are the procedure? How to incorporate a one person company? These are the few steps. By following on these steps, you may incorporate your one person company, or you may opt for the LODOX to incorporate your one person company. So you have to, at first you have to complete our OPC form or one person company form. You have to, in one person company form, you have to provide some details like who is the nominee, who is the director, company's registered address, and what is company's objects, and what are the unique name reserved by the company director for his company, his or her company. So after completing your OPC form provided by the LODOX, then the next step is you have to obtain DSC, that is Digital Signature Certificate. After obtaining DSC, we have to start the next step. In next step, we have to reserve the unique name for your company. If you have a unique name, then you should reserve, or you may proceed with that unique name in one go. It's up to you. After the company name registration or company name approval by the MCA, we have to apply for the certificate of incorporation. So for the certificate of incorporation, there is a Spice Plus Part B. In Spice Plus Part B, we have to apply for DIN, Digital Identification, Director's Identification Number, and the certificate of incorporation, and the GST registration if you want to get registered for the GST, and EPFO registration, bank account opening registration. So through Spice Plus Part B, we have to apply for these registration. These are the mandatory registration apart from the GST. By submitting all the details, we have to wait 5 to 7 days. MCA generally takes 5 to 7 days to respond your application. If there are no problem or no discrepancies at the end of MCA will reply with certificate of incorporation, PAN and TAN number on your official email ID that is provided during the incorporation process. So after receiving the certificate of incorporation, your company is ready. to commence the business. So now the next part is, what are the documents which required during the one person company incorporation. So these are the documents. There are different personal documents for the one corporate identity. These are the documents which is provided by the director, the sole director, because the one person company has a single director. That's why it is called one person company. You have to provide scanned transcript of password, the scanned copy, which is self attested by the director. You have to provide your PAN card. Instead of password, you may also provide your voter ID or driving license or Aadhaar card. These are the documents required for the identity proof only, not the residential proof. For the residential proof, you may provide your current bank account, your bank statement. Generally, it is bank statement, your mobile bill, your utility bill, your electricity bill, yeah, or gas invoice. You may provide any one of these documents for the residential proof for the director. You have to provide scan passport size photo, specimen signature. There is no requirement of thumb impression nowadays. These all documents should be self-attested. It is mandatory. And one more thing, the documents provided for the residential proof, whether it is a bank statement or mobile bill or utility bill, it should be not older than 2 months. For the registered office, you have to provide utility bill, NOC, mobile or phone bill. Apart from the NOC, you have to provide one of these documents from mobile bill, gas or electricity bill, any other utility bill. These documents are required for the registered address. NOC is must for your office registration. So how Lodox can help in incorporating your one person company? Lodox will be there with you in your journey to incorporate your company. We will make you reach the goal and rise as one. Lodox expert will also support you in procuring mandatory license, registration and regulatory compliances, whether it is auditing, whether it is accounting, whether it is domain booking for your business. So Lodox will help you through expert assistant. You may opt by clicking on WhatsApp to get expert assistant. If you have other queries, you may fill all these relevant detail and submit. So these are the details to incorporate one person company. Thank you.